All right, Ebusia for Mumuni Bawumia. Let me chip this in before I go to the main issue. Minimum say mafemi. Yeah, say me to me about live. Na monso mo to me afresi mo watch madrini ade minimpa. But problem wa me face a time constraints. Contract bi amakoje pa rainfall bi amakoje ama it take most of my time. In the same say aye program be 2 or 3 hours no aye den ama me ye pa. But manya ni sanso a Jack mensa enkoma no aha mu nyina mo ya we se aha no obi ma so de ye buga enti no etomre bia se wanfa wo ho anomu a ne obedi be ye wodin enti nye se bia megya ne emum se na American time constraints no enche bia I think say maybe from next month things will calm down a little bit for me na metimi enyamre asa share me live programs no ase enti minim se mafemi bear with me ye se bia megya mi nyaye ne emum Emre mejuma bi a meye ni ade emre a menyanti na amano abanisa enti we de mother Roma monfa enche me pa it's as simple as that enkomodie bi akoso on Oyerepa TV yenko na yenkotie na menchire madwen kakra bi wo ho listen
it's what all my solution I'm working some have said and my tagline here to lead is to solve.
Yes.
Sana about my tagline to lead is to solve. It's to lead is to solve. What people are saying is that I mean, unsolved problems in the way we want to see. No one is he wants to lead into solve our problems. Every year, better, every year, e-levy, for example, every year, a cafe, and say so. I mean, these are things that people are saying that Bawumia should speak about it.
But people who say this, I wonder if they know the governance structure of this country constitutionally. What mandate has Bawumia to solve those problems?
As a vice president?
Yes, what mandate has a vice president?
Yes,
but he has no straitjacket route to develop this country. No. He does what the president instructs him to do. Any of the police I can Asa? Yeah. He has no obligation towards Ghanaians in terms of development. But this man has been exceptional. Because under this man's vice presidency, who's a vice president to me, baby? You can talk about digitization, housing, and other things. You see that he was directly involved. Let's match him with the just past president, NDC president, John Mahama, as a vice president. What can you speak to John Mahama? Say, oh, vice president, oh, yeah, exceptional. Ubiaka say digitization there, Bawumia. What did I say? There's none because he was limited. In fact, on no committee, you're too far. See, as someone so to a DM, as someone at home committee. And the debate my kind say, okay, someone so to plane. That one he did. But Bawumia, he implemented policies because of the leverage that the president gives. Oh, yeah, we do action, sir. And it is unfair for anybody to judge Bawumia's performance by his position as the vice president because of power or suggesting. But say, Obefa, not so for there. Is the president
or suggesting? That's the question.
A lot.
Or suggesting.
Why not?
And I answer.
But he asked several questions. Telling you that his hands were on something. He suggested. He did a lot.
Martin Yawoka. Ye bisa ne se ene Bawumia nam. Ena wo hye Ghana for bo. Se me south waso enya for bo yesa. Ejuma we anyway ni ade na meye. Ena Ghana for a enimu nyansa ebisa Bawumia se si a wokasa wo hyebwe wo ye mampani dada. Ekufaro tumi nyina ewura e de tumi nyina hye wonsa. You Bawumia, you can call a spade. You can order, and I say you can implement any policy that you can or you want to implement. And say see wonamu a wo hye bosse wonya for more years amese. Why don't you do those things before empu Ghana for begina eno so? E de tumi ahye wonsa. Kwasi ampani communicator we say Bawumia ni tumi bia o. In fact, or say Bawumia no on it sebio trotro drivers. Choba eye operators ina ye pe Ghana ha. Bawumia ni tumi bia. Bawumia is a commoner. Bawumia is a nobody, and Bawumia doesn't even have a single power to implement any solution or any policy in this country. These are the words of the NPP communicator. Or say Bawumia, Bawumia de so nyobia. na Bawumia to me be no munya ni aboka no kra adan ya se Bawumia onye saa de na ansa na yabana to aso na to me be na Bawumia o pa kire se Bawumia no oni to me bia o Ghana ha. You see, problem wa enkofo we face ni say the little achievement of nana adodankwa Ekufuado no on pese ye wi ade ma Bawumia. Now so about the failure they want to distance Bawumia from the failure. Now maybe some Ghana for me say, how can you claim somebody's achievement without claiming the person's failure? Does it work that way? Achievement, any failure then And he say, who claim your achievement there, then you must be bold enough to also claim the failure. Now so the Bawumia nam akwa we kire se Bawumia no oni to me bi enti no sebi you amemo na anko yie nyina ye Ekufuado. Ekufuado na ejimi. Ekufuado na sebi o oyeti bonkoso ni a onimu nyansa. Nti for the past almost 8 years ni sebi biara na anko ya ye blame Ekufuado and not Bawumia. And yeah, based on that me bisa kwasi ampani we say to me ben and Bawumia gina so a odi ko gina central region. Eshe bo say oba besi airport any harbor e di ama wo mo. E di etumi e na Bawumia ejina so a odi ko gina Cape Coast eshe sa abo no. Ebiom Bawumia ni tumi bia o Ghana ha na so ne Bawumia nam e na simpie so bia obegina bia e na maye say robotics e na AI e na hwan e na maye way e na Ghana card e na D&D na fiber optic na hwan Bawumia nam na all brage se eba digital dia we jese wadom wo suko ayemu adwuma edi mu akotene na so na jimini kwasiato we chese Ghana ha Bawumia no oni tumi bia oni empo mu a omutiti afia no etete graphic cramp yepe iti mibisa sa kwasiampani we se ene based on that no tumi ben ena Bawumia nya ya ode ye sa nyoma ya ene o claim se ono na oye ye no tumi ben na Bawumia nya ye the same Bawumia yawo ene se Bawumia ni mu se vice president uni to me bia dia yemisa Bawumia say during the days of vice president Emisa Ata oputi 170 questions say Emisa Ata enyano se na Bawumia ni mu se as a vice president no uni to me bia dia den ena ono tena se throw 170 questions and the man the then vice president Emisa Ata say onyano eba ne sen na Bawumia timi throw 170 questions and the man say onyano obra na Bawumia ni mu say as a vice president no uni to me bia eba ne sen ena Bawumia di say adwuma no ebiom Bawumia baaye uni mu say alanchemanten chere Ghana for say presidency and vice no eye one ticket meaning say to me na Ekufuado ewo no the same to me na Bawumia so wo eno nti wodi ne nti a Ekufuado pochi Bawumia on say somewhere in 2015-16 eba no na sambre na Ekufuado campaign shebo akese sambre no o chantro to Mahama so kire say Mahama bon economy Mahama ni mamemuo ena onam ena besianko anu abo exchange rate hwan ye use bibia di Mahama term economic indicators ena fundamentals ena hwan ye gina so de sopre Mahama term it is already now na adodankwa Ekufuado aye so desperate say obema mpania obe prove Ghana for wrong senye say bia Ghana ni ska wo na ebum amemu boni John Dramani Mahama NDC aban abawunti ena Ghana for mo bre enti no otena ase no hu say no Bawumia so no waye adwuma at the Bank of Ghana Bawumia PhD holder in terms of economy it is a metam Bawumia di mechia obetimi aboa me ama eba economy my government will be able to deliver eno nti ena Ekufuado eno na enam so nti a okotena Peace FM say yeti sika so na nso ekomodiyen esandien amamu a enkoye nti eno nti Bawumia be advice no ena ye create anase omu create team bi eto ni din economic management team said they were the people who were coming to save the Ghanaian economy ena yedi Bawumia they made Bawumia the chairman almost 8 years ni John Dramani Mahama Emreso exchange rate na $1 to 3 cedis 80 pesos. Ekwa ni mu akodru only 4 Ghana cedis pe. And now Bawumia buy $1 to 16 Ghana cedis and still counting. Why? Because we still have some few months to go. Enti se Bawumia ni to me be adia to me bay and Bawumia Jina Sua or the chairman of the economic management team. Eye to me bay and Bawumia Jina so. Hey Ghana for Bebia Ghana ababidru no. Say yensue nyansa ama yadwe na anya adwuma enkwasiafo we be say kru no de ahye yen kwasiafo we be say ombe buye komu e de akire yen say why tinie do crack your head do cut off your head and show you say whose head is this, because these people are diabolic and these people are criminals. The same person yao ukojina baby akra baby agbolochi e promise ye say ye ba be si toilet amamo enti ene se mo che se Bawumia odi to me bi ade to me ben e na Bawumia gina so a odi che se me ba be si tiefi toilet amamo tiefi kram na o kan you ye ba be si 32 toilet and one toilet in all na o kan tiefi no mpo to me ben e na Bawumia nya ya na se ogina so a odi be kan tiefi e hye bo sha kese na anu ya Bawumia che mo se wasika yi hostel say or the training car you for ni ade or the brage say ono na waye na so mo se Bawumia eni to me bia to me ben e na Bawumia nya ya or the dis adwuma no na anu ya Bawumia chem say wakra ye frede sen eye tablet say oba be che e de ama sukun kwada na so na mo che se Bawumia no oni to me bia to me ben e na Bawumia gina so a or the yes ade no na anu ya Bawumia che say wa disburse $12.5 million yen chairman nurses in the form of their allowances. Now so nemuna mo se Bawumia oni to me bia na Bawumia has no power to implement any policy. To me ben and Bawumia nya ya ogina so a or the chair $12.5 million ema nurses according to him. She amemu eye intelligence so. Enya ba odo bia odo obi sa se de bia meka kire mo. Enya ba na media me na me do way na we say there be o amamuo no eye intelligence so it is a moto aba eyi nkwasiafo ba na se menua che se Ghana sei o man na nkoya mo 20 a omo na pani bia na dwen ye adwuma onimu nyansa oti amamuo ase omra me save mo from this this shit that you people find yourselves in, this pit of misery that you people find yourselves in. The same person now uputi 170 questions. Emma, the then vice president, Mr. Ata say, Omra Bontin answer. And then you put the same question as about Bawumia also no Emra Bontin yanwa. Bawumia chemu say ono die. He is only a driver's mate, only to me bia. Therefore, he has no power to answer any question. Say any power mo say on to also in breaking the 8. And kosunya mampeni. Onye honest. Onye truthful enough. On kano kre. Bawumia me say. Bawumia nie entronye. Bawumia nie entronye oyobia me say. No kre. Abono. Senya Johnson abo akoko. This it is a botina Ghana ha. Eto abase Bawumia ntwa so a. Mu di mo ho abro. Oh yeah. I'm being blunt. Be kano crash obra men to sebi. Samotina Ghana ha eto abase after 8 years ni Bawumia trofo mumuni a on kano krensa ntwa so a mu di mo ho abro ya make mu ntie yensu enyansa na yenti ase se John Dramani Mahama enya emfie 9 pe eboro only 54 billion maximum yes enma we nyina wan hyen kwasiabo bia any Ghana for atem anka sentia Ghana for SOV dum so 8 years enma we nyina Mahama take responsibility ade bia ni ho anko ya Mahama anyantum ogitum no apa achew na se ne Bawumia ba enya 8 years ni abro besia over 742 billion cedis. So they call American dollars more about 80 billion and still counting because we still have some few months to go. Now say bisa Bawumia say edi adwuma na waye na boshe ya wo sa hye why don't you do it now? Na say Bawumia kire wo say na say Bawumia asoma ne nkofo say yen kwatena radio TV so enche wo say oni tumi bia o Ghana ha. Then how can you trust Bawumia? How can you trust such a person to lead your nation for the next 4 years. Yenipa, yensu. The ball is in your court. Say, John Dramani Mahama is the only person I can tell, say, Semoto Abadi Mana, your future will be in a much safer hands. As simple as that. As simple as that. So simple as that. Enjoy the rest of your time and I'll see you in my next video. Makram.